my question is both of you, Nawaz sir and Akshay sir. Like, how was your experience working with Shri ma'am? Like, you're working for first time. So, is there anything like you was wondering, like Shri ma'am is very strict, so how like we are able to work with her?
मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस है, क्योंकि मैंने मैम की बहुत सारी फिल्में बहुत पहले देख रखी थी, तो क्या होता है ना कि एक ड्रीम वर्ल्ड होता है कि आपका भाई आप जब उनके साथ काम कर रहे हो तो कई आधे टाइम तक तो मुझे एहसास ही नहीं हुआ इस बात का कि मैं उन्हीं के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ उनके और लाइक एक चूँकि इतना एक्सपीरियंस है इसलिए सीखने के लिए ख़जाना होता है उस एक्टर के पास, तो उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखा, पेशेंस सीखा, छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से जैसे हम पहले इम्प्रेस होते थे उनकी कि भाई अरे यार ये किस तरह कर लेती हैं ये फिल्में, उस तरह की डिटेलिंग एक्टिंग में। तो जब आप कर रहे होते तब आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता चलती हैं, जवाब मिल जाते हैं आपकी परफॉर्मेंस के। तो इट वाज लाइक अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद हर।
भोलेनाथ की कसम सर, मुझे आपका कैरेक्टर बहुत अच्छा लगा। इट्स वाज अ स्पेशल अपीयरेंस बट लाइक यू हैव डन अ फैब जॉब इन द मूवी।
थैंक यू।
Any just like one moment, like was there a pivotal, is there like just one moment where, I always ask this, and specific to this film and in life, about the pinch me moments.
I can't think of any one moment because the film is an extremely intense film and it requires a lot of focus in the performance by all the actors. And I think the amount that this character that Sridevi is playing had to focus every day, it was such a difficult part, very difficult. And her focus was so unwavering. And as I said in the other interviews also, I think an actor is always looking to surround himself with the best possible talent, right? Because only unless you have good people, then your work gets noticed. And then once in a while you get to work with a Sridevi. So. I mean, she only does 2 films in 15 years or 10 years. So how many actors are going to get to work with her in the future? Not many.
Exactly.
I do not blame them for being smug. You have to allow them. It is their prerogative. What about you? Was there just like one moment that you know, like when you think back, that one moment that you will always sort of associate with working on this film, you know, that was special, that stood out?
Yeah, this film is really special because I get to work with such great actors like Nawazuddin ji and Akshay, and of course Sajal.
Yeah.
She's unbelievable in the movie, and she's going to surprise all of you. She's amazing, and it's great. I mean, I learned so much because I was at the shoot all the time on my toes, watching them. Nawazuddin ji and Akshay, he's such a powerful, I mean, strong performer actually. It's really difficult to cope up with him in the frame. As I told before, nobody is going to watch anybody except him when he's in the frame. And of course, Nawazuddin ji is amazing actor. I'm a huge admirer of him. He's a gifted actor, and it's really, to share the same frame with him, it's really honored.
But I'll tell your audience one thing also. You know, people loved Ma'am's performance in English. Her performance in Mom, and I can say it without any hesitation, her performance in English is not 10% of what she's done in Mom. Not 10%. I could say 5%, I'm giving Grace 10%.
Without any spoilers at all, but what is then, what it is that it has brought out of you? What is the impulse? Is the trailer also is ambiguous.
It's not at all a dark, it's really commercial.
Yeah.
And of course, it's a very simple and emotional family drama है, जो ये mother and daughter के relationship है, और आप देखिए, बाकी ज़्यादा नहीं बताना चाहती। इसमें एक डायलॉग है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है, ये ज़रूर फॉर द टीनेजर्स, यू नो, दे विल लव इट। ये एक डायलॉग है जो उसको समझाने की नहीं, हमें उसे समझने की ज़रूरत है। या तो बच्चों को समझाने की नहीं, हमको उसे समझने की ज़रूरत है। दिस इज़ द स्टोरी, दिस इज़ द सब्जेक्ट। इट्स अ वेरी इमोशनल, एंड एज अ मदर I can relate to that character, what she is going through. And it's surrounded by many good, strong characters like Nawazuddin ji and Akshay Khanna and Sajal, Adnan. and of course the director, his first film. And he is very passionate about this subject, which made everybody's life so easy. So we all followed him blindly.